Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 search bar is not working. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or in your laptop and you're facing the issue that your this search bar is not working, it has been stuck on black or white screen. So in my case, it's working, but if your search bar is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to look for Task Manager and your PC and open that. So just click on this option here. There's a window button. Just click on this, or if it's not working, so you can right click on it and just select Task Manager from here. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it's open. So once it have opened, you will see these three lines here, two horizontal lines. You just have to click on it and then click on details. Now in detail, you just have to look for search or so you can also go to the search option and here just search for search. Just type search here and you must see the searchorts.exe in your Windows 11. So just click on it, then right click and then click on end task. So once you have done, just click on end process. So it will disable your search bar. So it will re-enable it in a few seconds. Sometimes it might take 10 to 15 seconds if your PC is slow. So once that's done, it will fix your issue. It will make a force restart with the search bar. So it will fix all the glitches and that. So once I've done, your issue might have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, just right click on it, then click on settings. And now in settings, you just have to click on this privacy and security option and just scroll down and then click on search option here. Now here you can enable this search history if you want to, or if it's already enabled, so just click on clear to clear device search history. Or you can also disable this from here. And once you have done, you must have to enable all of these settings from here. So let's find my file. So you can select enhance from here if you want to select. So once you have done, you have to make sure that all these settings are default. You haven't changed anything from here. Once you have done, it will help you to fix your issue. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so just click on Windows Update. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates. So you can also try to check for the latest updates in your Windows. So it will help you to fix out all the issues. So once you have done, you have updated your PC, but your Windows is still not working or your search bar is still not working. So just click on this option here, or you can also right click on it, or you can try to turn off your PC. Now to do that, you can also use Alt plus F4 to go to the menu of shut down your PC. So once you have shut down your PC, you have to restart it, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.